Now I'm going to talk about our motivations and challenges. According to United States Bureau of Labor Statistics, the unemployment rate as of June 2017 is of 4.4%, which means that approximately 14 million people are currently unemployed in the United States. This is a really big number, and although several statistics show a decrease in unemployment for the past 7 years, unemployment due to automation is still on the rise. According to a study published by Carl Benedict and Michael Osborne from Oxford University, a shocking 47% of the population in the United States are at risk to lose their job due to automation. That is within the next 20 years. In addition, a study by Ball State University indicates that the decade between 2000 and 2010 marked the greatest decline of manufacturing jobs in the United States. All these statistics have greatly impacted us and have motivated us to try to find a way to mitigate the effects of automation in jobs. Another big aspect that motivates us to do this project is helping a group. Because automation of jobs is already a reality and has affected several groups of the population, we decided to center our initial efforts on people who have already lost their jobs. This does not mean that we won't help people who still have a job or have any other occupation, but we will focus our initial efforts in helping those who have lost their jobs. According to a recent article published by the New York Times entitled "The Enduring Consequences of Unemployment," workers who lost their jobs during the recession period in the 80s were making 20% less than their colleagues 20 years later. Not only does unemployment has prolonged effects in the behavior and the economics of people, but it also affects their motivation. This is why we believe that it is of great importance to help this sector of the population first. Another great aspect that motivated us to do this project is innovation. Not only do we believe that we can do great help to the unemployed sector of the population, but we also believe this is a great chance to be innovative in the field and be creative. Taking into account the different backgrounds of our participants, we wish to enhance the traditional software learning process and incorporate new methodologies to attract more developers. In an article published by ACMQ entitled "Automation Should Be Like Iron Man, Not Ultron," the author Tom Limoncelli expresses his opinion in regards of how he believes the path to automation should be. He expresses that humans should try to learn more to being assisted by highly capable machines, but with the ability to modify their behaviors like Iron Man, rather than having completely autonomous machine taking control like Ultron. We believe this aspect is of great importance to our program because we do not want people to shy away from computers just because they fear them or they think they're going to take their job, but we want them to understand the importance of knowing how to manipulate computers and also using this as an ability they can use to be more attractive in the labor field. Now I'm going to talk a little bit more about the background. As we explore the possibilities and different programs that have tried in the past to incorporate minorities into computer science, we discovered an interesting initiative by a company called BitSource. BitSource has been recently featured in NPR News in an article called "From Coal to Code: A New Path for Laid-Off Miners in Kentucky" by Erica Peterson. In the article, Erica discusses the origins and motivations of BitSource in order to introduce minorities in eastern Kentucky to the world of programming. Initially, when BitSource posted ads for hiring, more than 1,000 applications were submitted. This highlights the interest of people in the field and also the need for a job. Currently, BitSource is a fully working company which focuses on website design, applications, tools, and a variety of software solutions. Due to the success that BitSource has had, we intend to develop a similar solution to attract the vast majority of people in need of job. But also, we want to incorporate our background and our ideas to the project. We believe that it is important for the company to be self-sustained and, with the help of their students and their participants, to be as productive as possible, and with also the help of donations, attract more and more people.